Felix, the Ekoswa, a hammy pan or water region, and they say, Omo did doctor campaign anymore or no. Omo name crofone and it is the same thing when you go to Wale. When you go to Wale, not the chairman, no. When the campaign goes there, the campaign for Omo person Omo beti kabunka. They don't want Cabo to speak to them.
If I don't know.
That's Dr. Bawumia's place.
Wale.
Yes, and this came to me. This one just a confidant be catcher me say like some of them are holding a personal vendetta against our former MP. In Tanka Obisa no unfaning your main speaker when you are in those places.
Exactly.
So I think that these are some of the fine tuning we are going to do because Cabo is playing so much roles in the campaign already. He doesn't have to be the speaker in that area for us to get the votes.
Exactly.
So I say because sometimes if we don't do that, then I say Dr. Dianka Boni ni hu. Nenso omo ye adwuma ma no. Dr. Dianka Boni ni hu. Nenso omo ye adwuma ma no. So what you say?
All over. It's all. Hwenano na kwame committee kese ka say still ano enipa na yesuma wo media ni mo no wo top doctor nsem no ese di nyina wo hwe na oka enipa
and no crowd say I feel the year call for primaries. Since we crowd no no I'm thinking about the actual campaign when it starts. Are we going to be able to replace some people? Are we going to be able to negotiate with some people? So okay, first what the year call sorry. Look at somebody like Honorable Ken. Let me just say this for us to laugh. About 2023, no. Or the Yama Stella Nebaye. Or this Stella Baya am fan. This time or the Christina Abba. Oh, I'll try another look. You know, yeah, into there's nothing wrong.
Grana or side chicken, ni main chicken, mo jano, nanado na anyway. Long day
it's for me, but I think say the negotiation can go on. We should get some professional mediators. That's something we don't do much. NPP, we are too much of when I open we penny winning and kokasa. Sometimes some penny for no movie crew crash our power over us. No, it's not that powerful no more like before. No. So what you said, their influence is there. Yeah, no we know their influence on us because they almost no grow. But the Gen Zs and the people almost they don't really know them like that. So you make sure you reshuffle and tap into people. They are currently there. May your senior minim regional free by Sabota region. He is somebody they have to tap into now. Yeah. What you say?
Obisa is contesting to become the next regional youth organizer.
Oh, I'm like that's a done deal then. I mean like he doesn't have to worry about that. Uncle da cry. I mean that is done. Those type of small one we once we can easily get it done. But he is somebody they can deploy. They also have another Ewe guy. I seen some Ewe guy too. I am say one time you and him went on a program. He's also there. One guy, I believe there's a guy beside. Also, is in Ogopo. Boy B. But you see, these are the people well, right now, no baby, we need to tap into that. We go take the gem from our elders, and then we present the gem with the new style to the new school. You understand? Because if we don't do that, it will be very, very hard for us to make any meaningful headway. See, the same face now as for this battle. Then I don't think even our luck in the voter region would even be anything. Especially now that we are learning, say majority of them are thinking about voting for like the other counterparts. Like let's do these mediations first and see how that can go.
Okay, I can tell you,
but
sir.
Problem with the airway problem with the same like northern region. We got northern region crown serious.
How?
The same problem na.
Just saying.
I say a fight about account issues.
Okay.
Very problem. Say ye pa because and can you
For no,
yeah.
until I know for no, in conform the campaign anymore. No, people don't really like it.
Yeah.
There be and yes, an episode. I say, no for no. So the way I was telling you, say,
Yeah.
my people see the election as a battle between yen and then the accounts.
Yes.
Oh,
Because and you say
ideology,
Bawumia
ideology.
omo
Okay.
penasem, but party now if I say akano and I'm not the as omo peno, but because of akwese because of akan ama bebre omo so omo ntoaba.
But then
And then
Hassan, wouldn't that be very not deep thinking? Because onipa na o no usro na na say one person who den ebe compare no.
Yeah.
So who to me be there, you now become the boss of that person, and that gives your chances of coming again. It's logically, or like I'm like logically that is where you people should go try winning BB.
Yeah.
And then Ghana Jollof Kasembu, and it is something I have dreamt of and I've said it so many times. I'm a fanti. Yes, I'm a can. My dad is Achim, so I'm a can. But listen to this. I believe, say, if Siebetumi can say now, other tribes and other winners will be power in NPP. As you making sure that the minority is doing what? It's also putting in their bid. Now we are minority in the party. So what I say, we are minority in the party, and you are not supporting say a minority who will open doors for you. Say now say minority be to me every year be there. And you make me juma na say me juma no so near. I can come and lead that thing. This should even be an advantage. This should even be something for anybody in NPP. I always say we minority because I can now also one pack and because you say I can you to no and you only need to buy it.
Yeah.
So what you say, Akeni, we didn't bring Akeni. We brought somebody who is not Akeni, so that you would also feel comfortable. Say, oh, Debbie, they said, say it's only accounts that can do this. But no, when I look at the trajectory, the way I near America, then it will make sense that I will support anything. And that is why we, the accounts who believe that they fail to.
How do you debunk the perception, say, different tribe near Audibet, I will say only the MPP, no? He's just there as a, how do you call it, a puppet?
Okay, on your puppet because or your puppet here, anka ebra or your vice president, yeah, man, no crime manning ye, you may be. President Mahama.
Mayor can also come into the conversation, Mayor.
Yeah,
So,
President Mahama, ebra no your vice president, Abuji Napo say the president reduced him to attending functions like funerals and stuff, while the president paid attention to important things. That is what they said about John Dramani Mahama. Yes. Okay? Now, yes. John Jinapot said, oh, sorry, John Jinapot said that, I mean the NDC guy. Now, when you come to Pakwesi Emisata, meetings scrum necessary or no corona do okuja to block on and then I'm actually no more than they reduced him to nothing to the point where he was just sharing flyers. And he is a good economist. He is not bad. Pakwesi Misata is one of the smartest people they have in NDC. Yes, very smart guy. Very smart, sharp brain man. You understand? But he wasn't given the opportunity to operate. But with Bawumia, we can call, even young Kakran, you bet me, I can 32. And yet, or no idea, your core cabinet got na seno. The solution or the buy say, my seniors, let us try this. Na ebeboa, and a na DNA ye juma. You understand? So that alone is supposed to kill the doubt to say, you soon as puppet, no? You soon as puppet and card internet negana over digitization is his name that we mentioned.
Yeah.
And he put in the work. And then if you look at mechanized stuff, Ghana, all the digitization, our how do they call it, communication, everything digitally, we ascribe it to him because he championed it. He brought more ideas to better the system that we already existed. So how can such a person be a puppet? How can we go again and say we are bringing somebody who is a puppet? It doesn't make sense. We that can't believe and I speak this on behalf of most accounts, we believe that I'm a very strong guy, and I've said this so, and I'm saying this after Bawumia crown say omuti anye ya yemfa nkwa kan bia bio. We if by that time mon so metumi asakra mo honam will be powerful amode beba. You guys are founding fathers too. Kwashiga no na those people were from your side.
Voters say nipa nka obetimi asesa.
You see,
voter drink kakra no twe be ono so odine na.
And yes, or no adwene bebe at the right time. You see, so like brother for
Phyllis here, so obi ka say obi exist here. Yeah, na say ade actually say
obi here.
Somebody is not exist.
Obi exist say. That means say onipa ko no enye relevant. Onipa ko ni ho.
That means say a doctor ni ho.
Sa no pa che.
Papa, are you serious or abrabo?
On you serious. Into no. I mean like voice for me. Medema no sina senyo no mabemu no. I think say the time has come. Okay, for yeyan kasa so a ye minority in the to take our special place. Nana Akufo-Addo did very good when it came to the minorities.
Yeah.
Or the more to vantage points in the government. Unfortunately, some of them didn't see it, and they didn't take advantage of it.
They enjoyed it, but they didn't bring it to.
They didn't bring it to. Look at somebody like Peter Mewu, who had the railway, Mpaka 9 way.
Even our Minister of Energy,
you see, so you see,
energy to railway.
And that was to help the voter region.
Of course.
But nay, it didn't go that way. What you say? And then the onumono or the name baby say. One Ashana glory and a bekwa konante. But nini na ye me de American is a mama ye ni na ho. Minua mama ye ni na ho. Na sa nneema ya wo keka they are petty things. Get professional mediators, my brother. Yentena say. This is what is on the table. Dr. Bawumia say all my 10 appointments. So say enya hwe kra no efo mawu odienie hoga odienie fofo dada odienie obi abenya bi di akoni area. Tale ade ebe ofia obepamo ompamo. Do not push that thing away because when you say voice and nyame ya adoma na you push for that a baswa appointment be come wo so kra de utia ye wo nsa no dwuma dada wo ye pharmacist what you say wo medical field no mu dada supply ni atwigum and ni ade ni atwigum and God will do it. I know it will happen. You get it. And I also the way I will see the blessing nekura wuni bi no wushira nkrofo no onyame bema na aboro so ma wo so anya bi de achira ade papa say ba wo ye potarian o tena wa kwakodi obi achi a wo no oba ya adwongo and o se mu hwanhwe se we ye made in Ghana e de na ha mo.
But Felix 31st no sure e mhihie bi anu because na say bi na bi mhihie
voter region obi esuru pa me ho kam esuru
voter region conversation no. Mayor, good evening.
Voice. Mame yeah, you know me drop why now.
So when you votarian, my anti-votarian.
Oh, they tell me about top no. Jollof for some more kind. Anything I myself for buy. Obekona some more kind. Yeah, voice, right? I think we that be a majuno who's and then a voice Ayɛka no. Jollof can. Because voice Dr. Brian Bray did Dr. Chine come near yin. Yes, bia Dr. Sebi ni di enkrantia. Yes, Dr. Nim yin so Dr. Sani Paku no dear. Sani Pana or more general dear. Doctor, a bro more advent I did boom my dear doctor, it will be seen woman. But voice in your quintia. A NPP dachintia. Say ye doctor, ye yin sin Chinese before from Bassy King NPP. A big say to
go
a big say
go
because ye 2-1 ye 2-1 NPP 2-1 party ni 2-1 ye their target party ni say NPP there we ye sebi wonya kan ni a untimi di party nani na se nyame aboa ni ye nyina yetimi aka yesi so say asase ma o maka no ye mane mmam na se ye de doctor ba be di ani na se ye de nakona anye ye na o say ba sebi o wo na sebio ye fight amamu no obi gina baby frame minority mo na ye fight ye say ye de ya kan for but ye nya enye se doctor enye se wo ya kan ni a ene de obedi na emum ye hwe unyansa ne unim de ene de ye hwe ese ne fata no ene ye de be ma no wo na wo ese wo boa ne yetimi pushi doctor no ko na chine bi no wo no edru so a ye pia mo akọ no wo se da bi me de me ma ne nko.
Shaka, let me ask you a question. Shaka,
yeah, voice.
You that I know, wakume mono, deep within you, are you sure, say 100% you want to see a non-account lead the NPP?
Na voice na wa sema wo bisa me say wo abetime yi ma no na doctor kon ya ko voice.
Of course, 100%.
Voice unim asem we unim enti doctor kon ya ko no me ma gira ba bi kura ka say na ka me ndem say doctor ko wie na say e bia na po na obi be back Peter mewu e na ba be ne vice.
Yes,
na wo Peter no wo amewu no obi a ye ka sansem ye na wo so hwe ba bia odi na kine bi be ba e kine bi be ba ye di be ka tia wo e kine bi be ba e tia so wo dwene nipa na wudi na chi no oyisu minority into what sabi am into wonwene say me minority me kan obi akina bi baba ye bebo aje bebo wuti na chi no kasa asem no akina bi baba ye bebo o de video na chiro na wuti na chi ni aka chiro say wo support nipa asmesi wo party ne minority dia etu ye minority tie ma wo ma eti sabi nipa nwene
Adibi why simple.
And I Minister of Education
NPP bra ye nyina ye tagi NPP na say ye wan pushi obi ama sa no ma no afie so a still ye nnuanu mu bi na omo no na esofa no omo nse twe ye san ye pushi omo twe ye san ma me kinu sa menti ase
abayibro nsa ma abayifo no
kinu sa menti ase say ebeda na voter region ni oti region ebetima aka say ye support doctor ye be support akani no awu abra akanfo no say ye be support minority ni na manako how eden etimi basa.
Right. Let's hear Senor view on this. Mayor.
Enti voice me the voice me slow say and some enya banaka. Ma me fama no si some a jorof kan me sure say we dey recording. Ko na mu kohia wo mu abono mu ntie wo de obi ntie ase chechire mu kire no wo sebi amuna kasem chechire mu kire ne nko ni tirim ko na mu kohia wo mu nipa mienu miensa kra wo de boasem no hyeda twa ho no ko na bo ne kire mu kire no
yo me da say
Aden
Mayor fian me so what do you think about the discussion going on?
Well, thank you. Good evening to your good self and happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You've been a very fantastic guy. Let me use just some few minutes to just commend you. You've been a very fantastic guy for the last time I've known you to date. You've been very instrumental to the party in terms of communicating on behalf of the party. And I want to use this platform to say that you have a big place, a big position in the party. The party, I believe strongly, will not move forward without recognizing your effort.